Other guys and girls, I'm gonna watch movie for tonight. And it's Weapons. I'm ready. I'm ready as always to scream and shout inside the movie house. Come join me, guys and gals. I have all the time in the world. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I feel like to scream and shout at the top of my lungs. I am ready to scare to death. Oh my gosh! I know this is some kind of bone chilling and some kind of scary, terrifying, freaking. Oh my gosh! I still have 5 more minutes, guys and girls. Oh, I wish I can still catch the hi trailer. Oh my gosh, hi, good evening. Weapons. Oh my gosh, some kind of many movie covers, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. Sana in-atmos na lang, no? Feeling ko yung atmos to bukas, pero this will be my time na.
Actually, minote down na siya ngayon, sir.
Na ano?
Minote down tong Weapons natin dahil ang dami nagkahan. Pero
Oo.
ginalagay sa Premier Cinema. Dapat nga nilagyan din ng Atmos.
Oo nga, diba? Feeling ko i-atmos siya. Parang I feel like to change my mind on May ano ba? May schedule ba for tomorrow?
First, check natin, sir.
Kaya baka may atmos. Hold on, guys.
For Weapons, wala. Yun, may Atmos tayo
May
tomorrow,
atmos.
sir.
Guys, I changed my mind. I'm gonna watch na lang tomorrow.
Yes.
Can I buy na lang the ticket for tomorrow?
Yes.
Pero, can I ask for this?